In the last video we looked at a couple of different finger shapes you can use to play diatonic chords on the push device. In this video I'm going to record chords to go along with a bass line I made in another video, which is based on the most popular 4-chord progression, 1, 5, 6, 4. In that video, the root note moved as follows: C, G, A, F. You could move up or down from the C to the G, but I'll move down. Let's try playing that chord progression using the two shapes for root position chords, which I call the inverted V and the Mickey Mouse. I explained that in this linked video. Starting with our inverted V position, we're going to record a simple chord part with each chord holding for the whole bar, 4 beats. I just count to 4 along with the metronome as I play each chord. Let's try the Mickey Mouse shape, and this time spice it up with some rhythms for each chord. The chords will still change each bar, but instead of just holding a long chord, I'll play some simple rhythms. You could explore some more advanced rhythms with those two shapes, but I'm keen to explore a smoother chord part that doesn't jump around as much, as doing all the root position chords has a bit of jumping around. I'll try playing my C chord in the second inversion, which makes the C the middle note of the chord. I'll then switch to root position with the inverted V finger shape for my other 3 chords. I could get even more advanced with exploring inversions by playing my 4th chord, which is F major, as a first inversion. I'm going to get even more adventurous, trying out some Alberti style patterns with my keyboard, and I'm going to cheat a little bit by lowering my tempo prior to recording, and then I can raise it up again and nobody will know. Hopefully that gave you some ideas about recording chords, starting with simple rhythms and then exploring more complex ideas, and eventually throwing in some inversions once you're ready. Good luck!